CADprofi Electrical has a rich library of masts and lighting rods and additional accessories, adjustment sets, or mountings. In addition, it allows for precise determination of mast protection zones by using the cone method, protective angle, for one mast, as well as the rolling ball method for one mast, and for many masts in 4 LPS protection classes. Program allows for precise arrangement of selected objects in the drawing. We can arrange the elements of the installation in the selected polyline, in a rectangular array, along a section, along a line, or infiline, and dynamically. Each of the methods of arrangement also allows for determining the method and type of arrangement of objects. At each stage of the project, Program allows for making corrections to the deployed masts, automatically recalculating the designated protection zones according to the given parameters, height of protected devices, and LPS protection class.